Okay everyone, this is how you open the lock. So it has code 341913, and this is how you do it. The first step, you're going to set it to 0 and then turn twice. 1, 2, and then set the first code. In this case, it's 34. And what we're gonna do next is turn counterclockwise all the way, full counterclockwise, until you go to next code. In this case, the second code is number 19, and then the third one, just turn to the next code right away, which is number 13. So let's see if this works.